Hello everyone, welcome to Teats and Doors. I'm Satanshu and I make videos on topics such as immigration, jobs, students and life in Australia. So if you are new to the channel, please hit the like button, subscribe and press the bell icon for informative videos on these various topics. So today we are at Tonsley in South Australia, which is an innovation district. It's around about 12 kilometers away from the Adelaide City. So this is a home to a university, vocational study institute and many different companies. To be precise, there are around about 35 different companies and the university and the institute, which is spread across the 61 hectares of land. Historically, as you can see, these structures, this was a Mitsubishi manufacturing plant. However, in 2008, they decided to unfortunately shut down their manufacturing. Is because of the cheaper labor they found in countries such as India, Vietnam and China. So in 2010, the government of South Australia decided to purchase this land and come up with a innovation district or like a technology district. So Flinders University decided to purchase a piece of the land and laid down their engineering campus in here. So as you saw from the drone shot, this entire facility is covered by solar panels. So one of the biggest motto of all the university and the company is to use the solar energy and create a sustainable environment and go green. So the first company is Zeiss. It's an optoelectronics company. It manufactures camera lenses and medical imaging products as well, such as microscope imaging, thermal and UV imaging. A lot of people having electronics and electrical and optical background actually work in here. So around the world, this has around about 35,000 employees, but particularly to South Australia in here, there are around about 250 employees. So Carl Zeiss is one of the subsidiary of this company, which is famous for making glasses. So the next one is Sage Automation. So this is an automation and control systems company. It is a South Australian company which was established in 1994. So it works around manufacturing automation, traffic control system, defense technology, energy sector, around the solar and hydro control systems. And currently the focus has been shifting towards the IoT, the Internet of Things. So it also works around the industry 4.0, making everything go cloud-based systems. So a lot of people who work in here, they have experience in SCADA and PLC, the programmable logic controller, especially engineers who work in the control system field. My many friends work in here, and this is around about 405 employees working in this particular branch. So Sage also is specializing in artificially intelligent driverless vehicles. As you can see, there are few of the driverless vehicles in here. They have been working on this is in their experiment, and also Flinders University along with Sage has been using this driverless vehicle to transport students from one campus to another. The next one we have is Siemens Energy. This is a part of the Siemens Group, which is one of the Fortune 500 companies. So this was established in 1874 in Australia, and it overlaid the first telegraph system in Australia. So the Siemens Energy company focuses on products and solutions around the power generations and transmission, distribution of electricity, wind turbines, steam engines, and a lot more. Next one is MicroX. This is also a South Australian company. This makes X-ray products, so this might fascinate all the biomedical and electronics engineers. So this makes one of the world's smallest X-ray machines, and their main focus is around mobile digital X-rays and CT scans. This locally around about 50 people work in here, and has a branch in Seattle as well. Not just biomedical and electronics engineer, but this company also hires people with mechanical engineering background, testers, electrician, and also medical professionals, because they have to deal with patients. So next one is RTS, or Radical Torque Solutions. This was founded in 2008, and it's all over Australia, and it specializes on hydraulic and pneumatic torque wrenches and a lot of mechanical engineering products as well. So a lot of mechanical engineers work in here. So as we walk from the outer perimeters, there are many other different companies which are inside the factory or the old factory area. This is one of them is GCMA. This is an aged care facilitator. If you move to the other side, you can see these small pods. There are many different companies which have either hired or bought these places, such as ENG Analysis. This is a healthcare company which does signal processing around ECG, EEG signals. There's the wound care technology, as the name suggests, it makes products around the wound care. There's a lot of power or like a solar power based company such as Hunter Solar. It's a French company also, Total E-Rain. Now in here we have Red Arc Electronics, which is an automotive and power company. I'm gonna make a future video on this one, however. Now, not just electronics, electrical or health, but we have like finance companies in here as well. There's another energy company. Also there's like a mechanical 3D printing slash laser cutting organization, a startup organization. So as I walk down, this is another Fortune 500 company, BAE System, or it stands for the British Aerospace Engineering. It's a global defense and security slash aerospace shipbuilding. For instance, they have been involved in the US Lockheed Martin F-35 design, the Eurofighter Typhoon design, and they are like heavily defense focused. And they're also a contractor for Defense Australia as well. It's one of the major employers, has got around about 5,000 employees, and the headquarters is also in Adelaide. So the last company I'm going to show in this walk is Rockwell Automation. It is similar to Sage Automation, however this is a Fortune 500 company. It manufactures things like motion control, servo motors and drivers, electrical systems, digital information systems. Globally it has around about 26,000 employees. There are a lot more things to show around. In the next part, I'll show around the university and the Vocational Course Institute, a bit on the courses they offer for international students, their prizes, and more on job opportunities. I hope you like the video. Again, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to not miss any updates from Deeds and Does. Thank you.